o miabe nukpolo me do wezon mi va venir gba TV ke gamaga de mi ano miago abale ke mi wona ko adako la masefe fo wona ako ado miagbo donc be egbenye efejinu eni afa nkeke we efe we eni agbele efa ko bla vovo adime ke egbe ganye fida tututu ike mi agano miagbo gane minute adenye pour le miabe poli home ike mi aga kola masefo na akoda le miagba bale ke mi wona ke ani o kan mi alan kuda akoba mi ano gana du comme ike GFA o sports minister anyala ga jomle o Carlos Cruz do me fly ke ale kola mi akoda le miagbo na ma ke akwa Black Prince o ha wo no qualify so formula akpan woyi ke ale ko bala wono go don pla Ivory Coast fa du ko mi ako kata ako dare me bo afine mi gele gbata akoba transfer nya ha le ke via male gbe ke ma jima de den kra o Chelsea Football Club wonya ma ke fi a egbe o na fa ko Enzo Fernandez bi na be Man City mota wona na ke akoba ke da uchi yo gbonya ma Barcelona ha wo le to ma gidigidi fi a na be ala kula Rodri pa transfer saga ngwa wonya mi kala de den kra o akoba community show nya mi ke ababa jile dagbe nenya ba community show ba jiko akoba no kai jona Premier League is back menya fikra ya aleka mi do Premier League kaka well next week it will be back live ata aya ko bugaro mi akọ dara me boka nya mai karo kuro no na nko nya azed godo ya eduji anya no esijina egbeto efi waje efi to je gato kan ebe damada mi akroba pele home ka abajuru nya de ka evaro maleko la mi ale chito akọ dara mi agbo. Okay, be mi abu gamo mi ako update to ako vena me kwa wa matro ava afi me ke ava ale enya de ka evaro pokwa wa mi archaeology kama no sports minister pele GF fa ko me mele fly fi me le goma san fi aba akoba $150 million ya nya ne ke Carlos Cruz American nya me ba na like ko me ko de USA du koma no va World Cup akwaji akoba nya American le gbo fi aba afi ada no e do ko ke ada Ali Blasters ako agare the next competitions uma akoba $115 enya no ika ye wako na afi yatem ano Black Stars dogbo ika mele go se fi GFA kula sports minister wanya American le gbo fi aba menya ba yoba akwaji Africa yo akpo $150 million ala akona Carlos Cruz afi waga ano dogbo ata GFA wanya American fi ala ka nufu la jimba wa apen Carlos Cruz ba waga yi doji wanya American no oru asiji fi fly me ika mele nufu be Carlos Cruz epo nufu maga tem anya no ika ayi ngo ika avaide epo contract extend ga ika ano Blasters enu nene mai wala yenya ma kala nyama ma akoba afi Carlos Cruz akomi akogade USA to come akoba guy ka homo le mentally salary ka homo le nya $80,000 nya no ka homo le akoba goji afi mi la go se fi ba nya mai ka ba afi ada extend e contract $150 million nya no ka wa kona ka ya ahada ko to kuma nya bo va mentally salary for akwaji ko nya ka nya ba America na ma ko nya ba nya ba Ghana mi ate wa de ga $150 million akona Carlos Cruz afi ono do ko de ka fi ka mi ye fi ka dale wa nya ba ko fa Ghana taxpayers money nya mi ka ai Carlos Cruz ko to kuma afi o wa pe awo mebo no ale ayo matem akoda ma akole o de ko to kuma Carlos Cruz wa ko ba kono kiba balaka dumle akama go jone ma wala yenya ema kama atureji ma an gada Black Prince o baba medal fly kamela do ma se via ba akwa Black Prince o wanya America ato ka ya o ko Cote d'Ivoire fo nyon wona go domle World Cup qualify for Akpaji ya World Cup continental qualify so for Akpaji o gado la FIFA aika o fe be o maton qualify gado ka women AFCON ikana la jim la Morocco du comme que wala we nyanu ikaba lo do age vena ika o hede kala we ikana nyabo qualify alo du jila ahuma ma ko be o ma po qualify matches ade kala ko ika o fe ika motan du ji akaba intercontinental qualify so nyanu ika mo ba gado ika ato ikana ba ya o na go do Ivory Coast du ko ika o na o jidum age fe ika o ka hana wa vive life ya wa opongo yika wa gara preliminary phases so yika aba able wala intercontinental playoff ona menene mai wala yenya ma kama aga no Black Prince of akpaji kokokwa mila government of Ghana Football Association then FIFA wanya America no da wona to make ba yo ko akpada Ghana Premier League nyon of your akpaji here women Premier League for akpaji kana bo Ghana to come akova da wona to make no fe aba no jiyim ika wa fienu kuda ale ka wa ko achasi pele nyonu opo abo fu nyawo le du comme ka afi nyonu opo abo fu nyawo ayi ngogba mi la gomen sen fia ba FIFA pla GFA wonya me ko no ba wo de ka ola asla si me ka wa fienu amayo ka ale ka de na wona mo afi wa ko Ghana fa nyonu opo abo fu akodo do fe ka ojaba wa ko do hana women's league afa ngogba yi ke mi la gomen sen fia ba the association in partnership with FIFA is set to host a one-day commercial strategy workshop aim at boosting the commercial viability of the Women Premier League. Nenema ulenye Michael Miller Gomez le Thursday September 3rd when ava ayejile Alisa Hotel Accra nenema ulenye ma ka wana ava vajile 7:30 am aye wana ayiji ka akpa le 4:30 nenema ulenye Michael ni akpa beleka wana ma ava ako ya leleka obako ya ni akpa dara mi agbo ikamile Gomez the workshop is part of the ongoing implementation of the FIFA commercial strategic framework and then we'll bring together club executives, sponsors, media practitioners and then commercial partners. Women Premier League ngbenka wa ayingo gbenema wulenye maika amaiko wa kpo gomola wana ma woma ma yo FIFA strategic framework ika akpere amo ika executives so sponsors so media practitioners so player commercial partners so nenema wulenye ma and then football administrators so wonya ma ika akpo gome la wana ma ika wa ano workshop are ika akpele obe aleke women football aba akọ ida dukoma nenema wulenye ma kama na gome safa ika 5 member committee wonya no ika FIFA life over kodo anyibe wakpo nenebo sports afa apajia wa ika wa alanu odo ika wa pala Ghana Sports ngbe watem adi ezura ngogbe nenema wolenya ma ta ika melanu fofi akoba 5 member committees yenya no iko ba kodo anyika odan kwana be MPC yenya no iko ba kodo anyika o president na wona ma America anozime na wona ma yenya Samsidin yenya America anozime na wona ma ika waba mobilize and then partnership committee to lead reset Ghana sport agenda then ma wole yenya ma ika wa popobe alo Samson Dina, yanya maika akpagbabenka, ye mobilize and then ye partnership committee so ika akpabenka Ghana Sports Research Agenda ika wakoro do ika wajaba ya kwakodo nanema wolenya maika mana Adam no gbogbo ngami fi fly ye miele gomesem nyema kamila gomesem be asante commencer kotoko wa opa zima na ika odan kona be James Ose Brown enya maika na dan gbogbo fi aba ya dobo zona footballers so alo players so kata ika na zomo ika over for holiday po ika na over dua ogudova ya dobo zona over apofu ama nene ma wole ma kamila gomesem be enya maika na gbogbo na player aba a fi fly fi ale odua miele gomesem be gadenya mi kana jola abu bo ma fi mi gugloba enene ma wolenya ma egonya ta fa ya yo ba ada the player don una ma ke yo appoint a new partner so then making America alle adora asiha yo ba appoint a new one so le apa woji ka ba le dora asika wa kodo do pe ka woje ba wa ka kodo kala na ko bele anyama ma ko be South African head coach Eric Tinkler anyama ka kodo ba da asi agbara te pe ba apere apo fa wi ka apo kodo do pe ka woje ba akodo then ma wole anyama ka mi la go se ba azimana la na asanti kuma se kodo o se brown anyama ka la go ba ahia ba yo one papa ala ba akala yo ba na 2026-2027 Premier League ya nya mi ka ya fa akoda yo fa na pa ka yo apo gimi na apo so so le akoma godi na ma wo den gbagbo na mi fi fly nya ma addressing the playing body following their arrival in the capital. Brown explained the club's decision to bring in a new technical teams and then other personnel as part of effort to strengthen the squad and then improve its features. Nyene ma wo le nya ma Camila Gomez ya ye nya ma nyaba no kwala ka ma Rejia, where Mabudu Magada Agbata to come Magada fly here. I come along from Akaba, I know Garania, we come from that Agbata to come Alec Papa, name of what transfer Akpaji Hamana, we come at them Akamagojo, Chelsea, all are similar, but then PSG, they are not done yet. To Babo Africa, and Super Cup play all over Alec still Gala Asia Malaga Baker, Lanusa Nuabeka, Yawa Ako, Apopua, Akova, Apopola, Akova, Apopua, Olema, come now, Magada, for Antos in Jamaica, like Jamila go myself about 50 million move to PSG could give Barcelona an official final boss in that the opposite of Robbie. Then my will my 50 like Jamila go myself about Ferran Torres in Jamaica but PSG ka 50 like Barcelona anya nika all 50 million but never PSG ko gama be kwa ya asle Ferran Torres week wa go for Apple make Jamila go myself about ai ka over there Asia balata kula alone Barcelona jira Ferran Torres akoba abu wana Robbie Banka wa ajo Apple for man nema wala nyama Camila Gomez akoba Ferran Torres nyama ikana tole Manchester City afigada Barcelona pa Apple for meka nema deal mama akoy gade nyama ikala for fonda ko deal mamu akoy Barcelona manya meka atwa jira Ferran Torres wa wu 50 million nema wala nyama nebo jira Ferran Torres wu 50 million akoba Manchester City garala sile gama ika Barcelona akona Manchester City nema wala nyama 10 million euros nyama ika Manchester City akona Barcelona akona Manchester City nene bo ojira Ferran Torres wo 50 million nene 55 million ojira ha je be 10 million na Manchester City fa kafi manene ma wala nyama ka Barcelona so wonya mai ka wo susu dale gbagba ika wala nu pom pa 55 million ikana la dele ja 5 million ikana la 50 million ja wonya mai ka be awo PSG mi nya via mi ela wagale mi ya mi de 50 million mi de 5 million kwa ko to kuma mi ba ko do ki ba para ka ma ika 50 million ya kwa na mi ko mi akwa de ko to kuma ala ba nyanya ne ba mi jira Ferran Torres 55 akaba 10 million anya mi kam akwa de ko to kuma na Manchester City ko ma wa dare ko gamanya ne kara la mi aso la ba mi la ga hanzi akwa na Robbie ikam ya ba ho to Manchester City ba fi gama ha ga ba ta mi ya mi ko ba mi le ko mi akwa de ko to kuma ki ba mi kam ya ba ko de ne ma wole nyama ka 50 million anya mi ka fi amela go ma sa ba gbajina ba ko na PSG ka PSG akwa ka aba ho Ferran Torres akwa ga PSG ko abu mama ka ne ba la kula no wa la di mama akwa Manchester City anya mai ko to tri no wale gbagba ka Barcelona to o ko 50 million be play 5 million ada so be awo masogbo mi ha mi agbugbo ko egabe ka Barcelona to ga igwa 60 million anya mi ko ga gbugbo ko be ka Barcelona Manchester City obe you bet 70 million na be mi ko 70 million be wa akobe ega manya no ka mi ada so we bring ka wa jo yo papo mo na ma wole nya ma ka mi bra bia Barcelona to wole no sia no be ya ko third bidder akoy na Manchester City ka aba ho Robbie akoba yo papo mo na ma wole nyema Nema wala tutu nyama Camila Gomez ba Arsenal striker Gabriel Jesus onya America fia ereja two lucrative offers from Super League taking Super League ika abayo awo if you fia abogwa ika ye dibe ya gara nya Napoli alo ya gbogbo aga no Europe abogwa the case sare to the come nema wala nyama ka Camila Gomez Napoli remain interested while two other European clubs are also monitoring and then the Brazilian striker nema wala nyama ka people like Arsenal to gbogbo nema amana ko aga ba ika the 15 million yo da sele Gabriel Jesus week wa ajulo yo papo po mena ma wole nyama ka ifrati ama abudu magare Chelsea po apo wo make ifrati wa adama ko bia na ko so fia kwa wa o close transfer window the Enzo Fernandez jila akon wo jika ifrati mela go so bia Chelsea wonya ma ko na glo na Manchester City be alo Enzo Fernandez wa kampa we go na fia be nya be over Enzo Fernandez wa paja yo mo le dibe yo da sele nbi yo da sele nto kaka wa nya be gava wa gaika yo ko daraja nyanka 120 million ye yo ko daraja tan be gava wa 5 o'clock p.m. Yoko da Geneva Gamatova 5 p.m. After 5 p.m. do akaba yo we ma da sele Enzo Fernandez week wa jola yo gbo kai kamala nu fuma 490 enya kele me ba pale home can ever 5 o'clock da akaba transfer window enya no ko close Enzo Fernandez dik mapma ga ho for Chelsea ba popo mo ne ma wole tutu enya ma ka bi bra ai kamala nu fuma Manchester City to never me la toji ya Gamadova mi wonu sani kan never me lo ba Enzo Fernandez never ya popo maka mi ako 120 million akwa na Chelsea ka aba ho to boy ka akoba yo papo akoba mi aba apopo mala ba marasa enya ma ka na le tadene revi aba ba be o aten akpele yen ike ya ten awodo ne bo ba 2026 2027 so fa akpaje aten akpele ya Manchester City fa apopo anu na ma wole tutu enya ma kama abudu magara Manchester United fa apopo ma Camila Gomez fa ba Michael Carrick ziawanya Michael na announce baba be awo ifrasi ayo mo wo vole so market fa apajo sani so gbogbo le ke ya ga wo minima wole tutu enya ma iko ba bi egbebe awo Michael Carey, if you are, or better Brazilian, and when you have transfer window for Aquaja, come aside, Andre Santos, coaches, and then market, you will tell us my tour, after the Aqua, Megalasanis, I recall more Brazilian, I will play a canal, but also can make a compete other Premier League clubs who are minimum Premier League Papaji, I think Aqua, play a canal born and market this year, Aqua Champions League for Aquaji, they I think play like Aqua on top of Champions League of Aquaja, Michael Carey, make a rule and among people like your mother for a transfer market, your Gapoto, Ano, Asamaka, Sunny so when you make another bottle, you can your position at all. I have strength to let Aqua and Michael Carey get Glenn, but your mother for a transfer market, Monoposo, Manchester United, about the last week, our Sunny so let Kamaji come out to Magara, McAllister, Liverpool, Apaja, Miller, McAllister, forever, father, and America, Carlos Carlos, I know make another blow. Play our people like Alex McAllister, Mela to Dogal, Liverpool, Papa, this season. And I make an Abu make actually Abu Punya Odaji, Nanama Ole, and Camilla Gomez, McAllister, correct the telephone come never and the car parade Yaba Aho, McAllister, Quadro Liverpool, Papa, Uncle Arela, Liverpool, Abunugo, McAllister, a tongue we call our brother out. This last year, we will not allow McAllister to leave the club and Ole, Jamaica, but Madulam Yabo, Adulam Yabo, never what this is in there, but from Adulam Yabo, and Ole, Emma. Come on, no, get Manchester, sorry, Magala, it's a Milan for Apple. It can be like Robert Amorima. Make another play. I don't that, but give you out. I play a mower. You might got old Jimler. It's a land for maker. You might know our doctor. I'm a mama doctor. Christopher Nkuku. American former Chelsea player, former Leipzig player. You can have France international. And you make a fair. Evan Cohen, you make another Robin Amorim. American Manchester Network for Renala Hoko. You can no Manchester Network for Apple for Nafi and Woman Jabajina. You can only let Apple for Michael. It's a land for my Christo Kuku out. If I say Gio Dua, you might think our doctor, then the Maway Mata, Naji Abupua, then the Maway and my people like Christopher Kukua, Mela, Robin Amorim for Plan Monema, Robin Amorim, deal with Brunami Flyama. Come, Madano. Robin Amorim for Apajuko. I call a player on my Andre and Rico Kodara, but you may play a Moya. Maybe SM Land for Abu Forma, your more Jingba, your more G. I call SM Land for Abu Forma, la play Iowa, over the Adawanya, for Kaya Tomori. So Kaya Tomori, American England International, Christopher Nkuku, American France International, Pebes Estopinian, and then my Ecuador for VGG, then my Ole, Santiago Jimenez, and then Yusuf Fofana, David Odogu, then my Filippo Terescao, then my Ole, player, Robert Amorim, Robert Yamaga Dio, near Apollo, SM Land for Performance, and my Ole, Kevin Flash, Club Odim Alec Baker, or our doctor. Never. Look at this spot. I hope stars all I told you. Play Iowa. It's no young Canada. As long with you, what them Aho, Akoba, Opa, Abo, Wanebo, Tojika, Galosia, or what them about to play another Akoba, voter region at the Hotomaker, Apple, Home Stars, Allo, Lucas Sports Academy, what them Apple, the Magodi, Rebel, a Joe, then my Ole, Yama. Come here out to the Barcelona, when I make a fear, my brother, but that bill I know, Nico Cordula, Manchester City, Tola, Akawojika, Barcelona said to make a dead bill of around 60 million for Robbie Bat, Man United value him at 70 million. And City are willing to let Robbie fulfill his desire to play in spinner, but remain frustrated by Barcelona's offer. Robbie future could impact City's move for Enzo Fernandez, with Chelsea demanded 120 million. Chelsea, Manchester City, when you make a flight here, all the Basso Banka, that's a Robin Weaker, or do you ever desire by your popular spinner, your what as a weaker, or do I can't tell for the Noika, Nyatari Nala, Bagay, Kunabanka, Barcelona, Tomola, Lomanka, Guy Country, your city tola, your mother Robe, Ako Guy, Akona City to, I can fly here. Never will be Adula, Manchester City, Akoba, offer a move like Enzo Fernandez, the acting unmaterialized in the Mawalena Maka, and one I can't tell me like a Chelsea told of the city, not come up here, Enzo Fernandez one. I couldn't never Rama, never city for 70 million. I couldn't know I Chelsea, Babu Maker, I call 70. Ako 120 ako ana Manchester City Chelsea to la akpa wo jinin na wala yima kama da no Manchester City ba po mo ko ako ba Enzo Maresca o ko na la no no ko nkuda Savino mu ni na go man san fia ba Savino ya nya mai ka e to ikena ba ya e jo he go ba Camila go man san fia ba amagaro ba o ki fla fia o nya ba Tottenham Hotspur nya mai kena la yo ma tu ba ya ako ba yo pa po mai ka ba pa da yo wa ka because of deal ma go to Manchester o jo to na ma ka Enzo Maresca nya mai ka ba globe mi hana no to Savino manya ba contract e ka wa ba sai Tottenham Hotspur ya ta ojola mi agba ka bo dovia ko je ya ko la mana ko community ta ojola abo fo am like egbe aga no mi agba ne be ndoma no mi agba ka le ko ba ya mi akwa dara mi agba ne ma Enzo Maresca fo nu to Savino hun le apo ni ke Savino was not part of the session on Thursday. He was a little bit ill. He will see today. We will see today the session in the afternoon. Nema wala nya maka Maresca nya Michael Globe au Savino dovia ko je ka egbe ano yo ogbo nema wala nya maka ma atureji akoba Barcelona Mejuba ya sample akatala transfer marketer. Well, nile go se be Barcelona to wanya Michael no o prepare dare papa ko ina sporting ba ye wako Luis Suarez akoba yo ko apo Michael ika Julian Alvarez ba DML go through over ko Luis Suarez aba replace my never Julian Alvarez my ba ka Luis Suarez atenwa wo dona yo tami fly ya wa o ko kure ka ko Luis Suarez ba me never anu mata go through yo aba hwe akoba yo ko apo ko me nema wole nyama ka la nyama ma akoba Sporting Lisbon to wanya ma ikana glo na Barcelona ba au an kure ka me ko Luis Suarez pa me wa mi an ku fa mi ko la ko la mi ago ta nu man tita dai ka na la clause ma enya 80 million enya release clause awo mi Barcelona to mi already ba ye wa aho Luis Suarez akoba yo pa po maka 80 million euros enya dai ka mi akoba na yo ka ama ahwe enya ba release so na le ba meta match ba release course wa yo ya nya ka mala yo so ka yo atwa da Luis Suarez week wa ajo yo pa po ma agara Barcelona to bo ka Barcelona le no pa ba awo Julian Alvarez manya mi ka atwa ba yo bo ala ba atiko wa nya mai ka to 3 wa ma le ba ka o ma no ba yo da Julian Alvarez week wa ajo le yo bo ayata Barcelona to nya mekano ora tatamna Leipzig to mbe Sporting Lisbon to mbe Luis Suarez atam aba do play yo na ma wole ma ka 80 million release cost nya mekano la photo bi aba contract ni na Barcelona atam mi ka clause akwa atam ajola Leipzig Lisbon, Sporting Lisbon for Abu Jamaica, Barcelona for Abu Jamaica. Camila Gomez, come why Jamaica, Vivia, or Jamaica, no get a chance to talk about Miapa, striker, I come and Dilapa, Liam Dilapa, Mika, Mela, German, Allo, Mika, German, Chelsea, I quite last season now, I got on my very when Mika or dollar all competition, so I found Chelsea fan or one Jamaica, Via, all Dilapa, a biggest enemy, when Yana Yola, doita ta o problem abubu amala akoma ba adowo amala akpawo akana ba aga Chelsea for abubu ma akpa players o nebo vast track abu akpaji o sogbo papa la akpawo ji ka na nya bi kura akpa Nicolas Jackson nya ma ikela akpawo ji na ma ke Joao Pedro hala akama ma go hala akama ika ga ba ho Dani Welbeck ko ba abubu ma ika na ba len kula no ba na post na wanya ma ikela sogbo papa ai ka ko mo to ba Chelsea wa mi len ko yo mi aba attacking force akpa mi aba striker wanya me kana so go papa ai ka Liam Delap ano me go last season manya me kana won ta for na ma kana bo pre-season akporo le pre-season kata for agafa ya ko me ko do ikara agafa mo kata penalty spot e to e ta la ye olo no po ba au ne be mi atem akora ye wa enya me ka ba de oji ka your access spot Italy to come ka atum akpara ye omu e ta ko mo to nya me ko to la Chelsea move ko be au ne be mo aso ka me da sala Liam Delap mu na mi ko ba akpara ni maybe neighbor over Italy atom aruba career ne ma wole ma pa be wa no Chelsea apu matem awo dore kana Chelsea ba bo ala ba gama ha playing time man ni ka pogo wole la akwa go jala be strikers wa o so gba Chelsea pa ala ba Joao Pedro man ni ka lo gaba ka Liam Delap na be ne ma ke neighbor over Nicolas Jackson akwa Nicolas Jackson ya ma ka na la do papa akwa woje ne ma wole ye nya ema eta ne ba egbeje Chelsea ko mo akwa Liam de la Paris, America, I got como for Abu America, about the South Fabricas, Nana, Yama, Mia Aturaja, Aqua, Paris Saint Germain, a PSG, never vote transfer market, a PSG, American, and Tapu, a player, you can sign more, Aqua, one America, then go Camilla Gomez, one American, a budget, but I asked for Abu over your alcohol, what the Belgium International, make a gota, your alcohol. Your papa maker, Mila go was 55 million. Young America, club as well, PSG, Kogura, I guess Papa maker, Abako, Meka Gota, Akova, PSG for Abu America, never left la PSG for Mungabapula, Akova, Akova, never I don't go, Akova, Usman Dembele, Gala, Akoma, Nemaka, Karaskale, Hala, Akoma, this are the Bakola, Okata, Okapotola, Abu America, Meka Gota, Akolo, Akova, Mayan Nuvikra, Adola, Abu Amara, so I never I love Labapa, Obapo, Dadam Papa, Akawodika, Atapana, Ayasika, Nupanapana, Owana, Abu PSG, attacking force, Akova, PSG, I got to maybe I got to Champions League the third time. You are Akologic, never Yasal on Nema Maka, if I fear a document to Yamika, I send more of Ifla, Ikamatimo, Akaba. Maka goes about to PS top Abu Anima or Yama, Bayam director, Mass Ebela, and American Aston Villa Toba out, and if like here, job point. Jopo manga aweka ajola miagbo nenema wolenya mata agreement ade kama gada yo aro agreement ade kama do yo do maba yo ada so jopo hangu ike wa ajola yo bo nenema wolenya ka bi lafiya dealer l off nenema wolenya ma dealer l off ta jopo anya meka aga poto ano baya mene to bo last season akọ ever spend ever season le Fulham nenema wolenya ma le load ka bi lafiya Aston Villa to wanya mekala babada sa jabanka yo wako drop akova yo ko abu wa menema wole nyama reflect ya dila l off menema wole ye nyama kam nyaba nyasa nukola ka ma agada enzo marata fa afa ma reflect ya enzo marata nyama mekala no mu kuda Chelsea for den like ko dala enzo Fernandez dibe amebo for 5 o'clock akova dila an off ika transfer window nyama ka akova enzo Fernandez dia akova marata nyama mekala go bron fiaba awo menema varsity fa akwaji yo gbese agba enya bisi yo ta agba ha never o gala business yo ha ma fiaba enzo Fernandez fa dealer we yo le business kabo ele business no si anu nebo va football for nya wa apo ele business yo ta yo maka eba anu bore ka atenwa jo egbe nke kamo nene ma enzo Maresca den gbagbo na mi kuda enzo Fernandez fa deadline day ka Chelsea ko da ya nene ma wo den gbagbo na mi fi enya ma kam nyaba anya anu kwala ka ma atureja ma ga no Manchester City fa apo ma ko akoba exclusive story on Tijani Renders, I will fly here. I got a Saudi Arabia to come make a flat here. Bajina, Manchester City, Kodas for Apple Flick. Tijani Renders, I got a Kodas for Apple for make Avano. Saudi Arabia to come in the Walla Yama, can we fly here? What Renders I am making a Saudi Arabia to come make Avano, the founder, that's for Abu Wangama. So the two clubs have agreed a dealer, Nema Walla Yama, come me out to the opposite the 1 million in a guy can fly here. Koda store, Okodola, Manchester City Bank, not as long week, no when I call Tijani Renders na ayo na ma wala yenyama kama agada Juventus for apa magari fly female go so John Lukumia yanya make fi agada take to come make our wife transfer na Juventus for medicals and ma wala yenyama Tamila go so menka John Lukumia yanya make agada ever medicals na Juventus for deal ma wa ago to ma wala yenyama can you deal agree between the Bologna and Juventus Nenema Wolenya Maka exchange document Nenema Wolenya Maka Fifla Fiala Matimo John Lukumi I know make other Juventus Papa Cavas Abopola Nenema Wolenya Maka Mark Magano Italy Akova Roma Dukoba Abopola Magaru like Camelo David Fortensi I know make a Fifla Fia anu sɔgbe fifi ase bɛ nka wa agɛrɛ roma wa agɛrɛ rome yi ke ava agɛrɛ lazo ƒe abɔbɔ me la lazo roma ye nyama yi ke ava agɛrɛ yi ke anɔ kpɔkpɔ ɖe ŋu to inter nenema wòle nyama ke fifi afia egbedzegbe na roma kple inter fifi afia yi ke nusia nu sɔgbe be david fortensia agɛrɛ lazo ƒe abɔbɔ me yi ke ava awɔ dɔ kple lazo ƒe abɔbɔ nenema wòle ye nye ma ke ega mi le gɔmese be 5 million loan fee ye nye nu yi ke wo agree fia 10 million buy option ye nye nu yi ke wokɔ de eƒe clause me fifi afia be nka ne be season wunua what after 10 million euros nenema wòle nye ma ke mandatory and then 50 million sell on clause ye nye nu yi ke wokɔ de me fifi afia be ne be lazo tem dzra gbugblo dzra fortensia akpe 50 million 50 million present ye nye ga yi ke ya gbugblo akɔ va yewo ƒe abɔbɔ nenema wòle tututu ye nye ma ke mi le gɔmese be Arsenal made contact with Gerard Consa, well, Gerard Consa, Arsenal, more for the transfer market. Well, I'm about to sell a jump. I will so heavy. I will Akoba, William Saliba, and making a injury. Like Akon, would you come like Arsenal? The Zimba, you are replaced. Like Akogunika over or the Kakola, Gerard Consa, making a Liverpool, Abopola. You can be like never, but you know, Akoba. Joe Consa, Avagad Asna, Pabo, make an Okopodon, Nema Olema, the initial talk are reported that Bayer Leverkusen will try to keep the defender this season. Liverpool had a 70 million buyback clause this summer, but expire. Liverpool, I call Jirasoviana, Leverkusen, 70 million buyback clause. I know we call the dilemma. I can like come on Lukuma, a dealer off, Nema Olema, Taneva, but you know, Asna, Leverkusen, Jira Consa, Abazo, over Apopola, Nema Ole. Maka ma aga atureji akpaba Enzo Fernandez enya mai kana lu kukura community show le ngula akpawoji na eba ele kula akpaba next Sunday community show ababaji capma decide na Premier League is back or not consider ba akpaba di overma ano Manchester City kula Arsenal do ka Enzo Fernandez enya mai kana Enzo Maresca enya mai kana lu kukura community show le ngula ala gbo community show da manya friendly match onyana yo la akpawoji trophy is a trophy ta ya dibanka ya win Sani can buy a mama, Ella no capo, buy a mama, ya win, and the Mawale Yama, Arsenal, I want Manchester City, I want to Salamanca, ya I win community shirt in La Acco, in the Mawale Yama, never Nasalakama, Akosuna, Komabura, Apima, Arsenal are ready to make a major move for Papilla to Atletico Madrid for Abu Meka. Mika Ateta was left impressed by the defender champions, defender from their Champions League performance against them last season. So the Ateta won the Spanish and then the Emirates. At the Emirates, Ateta won the Spanish at the Emirates, but Atletico Madrid have made it clear that there is no way they are going to sell Papilla. Nenema wole nyama. Kamela go so be Arsenal to onya make we fly here. Mikel Arteta clear via over out. Never you have Papilla ko ba yo pa abu ma ba clear yo wale gbegbe. Kamela go so be Atletico Madrid onya make le gbegbe yo ma alo ada so he nyanka wa ajola yo gbo. Nenema wole yenya ma. Never nya so ka ma akọ so le ko ma gbegbe apa still ma gbegbe apa make ma ano come le jina me akoba Lando Paredes reject a 3-year contract proposal from AC Milan and then has decided to stay at Boca Juniors. So the Italian Serie A club were prepared to make an offer to sign the midfielder this summer, but Paredes has chosen to continue at Boca and then stay in Argentina. Lando Paredes I reject 3 years offer. AC Milan to Boca Juniors ano Argentina to come never will any market flight here the Italian club one make flight here oh no say be your akwe kaka so be our Boca Juniors ko ya te ma ko ya no e ka aro ko pam Boca Juniors ko abubuan ya ta ya no ya so play of ball Argentina to come nene ma will ye ma nya ba nu polo metrogbo well egba akpebe nyere kale eziameke ma alene mi cha kwa mi adasle egbeton ega kpotoro evenigba TV ke wona nya evenigba sports legbo odo ka enyameke do kuro na wona well as the god enya nkonye ka atenwa yo be yawo eduji ma atono obobobo ike ma agara Black Queens of Akpaji ma ano fly ke mi le government jabe le consider ikeneva ya akpebe wono of blame le women's AFCON for Akpaji ke we uno go do ple Malawi le third le quarter final round of 8 yafuma wono godumra ike Nyama gada move because of like Black Queen so kono egbejine yebova le ofe preparation match so like oko friendly match so afi gada ho blema akpobe do be o ma ten wo mtefala ho blema kake mi bube because of the status player status the coach behind the team la watem akọ ayin gogbele ho blema papa enya aba madaka na mo bube this year la enye Black Queen so to enye mio Ghana Jomieto alabe edidi mi mega kpo gomele menyebo va women's AFCON na mi onya make ntefo wa mega sumi sikpo alabe last season last season ekemi ya akpobe third place yemi le ike onye abotabo fo ike mi ko na wa le gbegbe wo jagbagba eta this season alo FM mi le mo kpobe Black Queen wa wanya mo ike adodo fo adele ho bleme ike enya ba ma de kana na mo bube wa ho ble alo wa do final ko le over preparation matches ma akpobe o no godo npele Malawi ike o du Malawi ji 4-0 enye no ike na Malawi ike mi amagada we were impressed le over performance ike o put up le final match mama ike le round 8 akpo over no godo npele Malawi that same Malawi ike wo du oji le final match ma 4-0 o no godo npele Malawi ike na ebe ele nkola ho bi manwa no kpola o enye no ike na de fo ale gbegbe ike Black Queen so onya mo ike no put up I mean shameful performance le ho bleme ikemi amagada mi mala mokom na that kind of performance well akana no mai over join my ike o de wala le ho bleme ike 2-1 nyen ike Malawi ba ko doji ike na o dola le ho bleme last week I mean not ba ike nyepo nyefele I mean no gbogbo mi no nu fon ku de Black Queen so mu ike no gbogbo be le this tournament la o performance la menya no ike na dey eju ta afimi atem akpo ngoyi le hovima ba jebenka no put up no wa put up the performance they are putting up jebenka wa double up the performance as you atem adu Malawi for afufu aje ta kai ko ide hovima akpo that same performance ko ko gre hovima ika Malawi fa duko enya no ikana duoji well aduoji a oge ika mo ko galemi sebe onyabe nenyabe do qualify gada semi final kama wa pomonu ike agade FIFA Women's World Cup akpaje ike mi kata mi no mopo na ala 20 years ike mi ekpo gomole ho remember ike mi amagada mi no mopo me this time around la we are going to the Women World Cup aka me va ijino no mo ike wo doja akwa mon popo galebenka wa make amen ike over for playoff play Côte d'Ivoire fa du kone bo odujia akpawa wa gede continental playoff akpaji le eto ikene ba eko o fo hwebe aka ni kan maje ma fo ntu enya Black Queen so fa enya iko ba ko dara anyi be sports minister akpele GF ya o ma ka fe na yo o ma ka bonuses na yo eka enya do amagede fo ntu sports minister ba dogo be me bo va Black Queen so far akpajibe yo mo ka bonus na yo ya apu alapae yo ka bonus na nebo va Black Queen so far akpajia yo ka bonus na ta bonus adeke na shanyu na ne mai sports minister Kofi Adam ade gbona mema be ye ma blame yo ga de ka ma shanyu ke ye mo kona Black Queen so ta yo ka fe kata yo ka ga de sa na Black Queen so nyene mai sports minister ba do gboro nye ma ka Black Queen so be bonus shanye ka o makana yo nyaba no pala ka wo duoji fo ka wo dola ho vleme Malawi duoji ka o jebe no duji ka qualify agala semi final ka adogo play ojira duko ka nyaba to do ori ojira ja wa gada final ka wo duoji ka o dola ho vleme va yo do va be sports minister akpele GF ya o ma khefo na ya o ma khe bonus na ya o ka many ma be is that because of the bonus that's why they lose bonus ikemo kona we eta o duojila that is the question and be tami ikeno ba konya e kodo be because o ma khefo na ya o ma khe bonus na ya o ta and man that I will be jula and man that me tem perform ale ko je nya perform e ka du mala we pe du ko ji ame oji mi du le friendly match me 4-0 before go the same club the same team sorry the same country o mo tano do oji yo dogo va be o ma ka bonus na yo sports minister dogo be yo ka bonus now yabo no polo ka a choy kere ba ya wo ha respond wo kamaka na ba ke gbla ba ke hana gble wo ne ne ma vazu e ka sports minister be yo ka for the side na black queen so wo wo ga ba dogo be sports minister Kofi Adam de bi agbo ye ka for na mi because a guy ka economy alo a guy ka ojobe na economy me camp me va no camp 11th July me the camp ikemi no gama kaka gada August kaka a guy ka come over na me enyanka from 26 July from 26 July afa ga come na me to 8 August nyaba no pola le Kofi Adams pa nyanu ple Black Queens pa nyanu so be o ka ga na o ye o pa per diem o ke no kaka e guy kokko na wa o mo ko ga no to tami ka o je campino o ba ko ga no to 26 July 26 July to 8 August e fa ga o kono now from 8 August to magbo mo kata ko gona mi de karaka ale ko jobene no kwa mo lo ko gona mi I'll break it down ika mi amagada mi mara gomasemo nenya be Black Queen so dibe yo na mi excuse kama menya ale o jobene na mi excuse nyeyo ala bo mata nwa bu oji vo ika oba dogobe because o ma kamera bonus na mi onima tita mi metem qualify you get a semi final I won't take that. I will not take that. Ta mi aba no pala ta le enyamama akoba gaika o kenawa o kefo na to 26 cover garanka 26 July ko pala 7th August for ga okono 26 July to 7th August for ga okono ka le to 7th August ma o ga kefo na to nka 8th August to 14th August for ga okono ka enya ka do wala nya benka to 11th July ka yo gade campa cover 25th July o ba ga yo moko ala nya sema from 11th July to 25th July e fa ga yo moko gamo pe die mi ka ojebe akona yo wa yo moko o le be ka e ga kamade yere ika ojebe sports minister wa dogba va den mene yo wa va den mene yo kai menya ba de o dibanka your account public ika wa gbonyare ko aka because ale ko mo gara nu medene yo tanka yo come out kanyere be nyebe nka mi dogo o be de mi adogo o bleme afinka aba nu e ba no anya yo gboma de menya ba de wo nyemele o blemo mara wi dumi ejo de na mi avava no nya yo gboma. That is the question. Perfect question. So if not because they were eliminated from the tournament, they won't come out to say this. They won't. But because they were eliminated from the competition and they put up abysmal performance, they knew that we Ghanaians will come after them. They come out, they want to give us excuse. They want to give us excuse that because of bonuses per diem we couldn't. Nah, it's not true. That the whenever the one will play more they want that is the question. Perfect question. Now, okay, Egypt Babenka, le bonus qualification bonus iko jabono kona yo ha. Last year, qualify Ghana yo. Aka this year. Le oblique au play Egypt omoko to Egypt message omoko bonus avec un qualification bonus omoko bonus avec un yo e ga sports minister do be advise ogbola globe well me have bonus already. You can everything is set. Be me have a bonus. So a guy called cover your $700. You can guy called cover your man. $700. You can guy can cover your man. Ka baby anyaba nka. Lenye ka ne baby elo. The man never do near Gio de do nyamila ho blemode. Nyabava no nya egloma. No, you my babenka, Moga come Moga for Ganao. No, you my babenka, Omoga call over Ganao. Elabe, they deserve it. They work for it. That is the promise given to them. Promise called now, if a Bejima Somol. Can you a promise? I'm whether I don't can fulfill promises. Kakan, your baby, never inca. Gawabo, Jabonova, Konamako Doguya. I'm not saying that they shouldn't pay them. They deserve this thing. They deserve the accolade. They deserve what they should take or what they should receive. But let this particular moment cover now, Oko Gada now, Omo Fonuchongo, but O Mevruvo. Okobe your girl over America, Ghanaians so over no phone black screen they lose they were eliminated. That's why they come up with this. Because you are caution pay your bank pay your Ghana to disappointment Ghana to Okore your own one you are frame up that shameless the disappointment Okonya to you are caution disappointment and look at something. Ta Black Queens open yama obe omeko omeka fene yo alo pedie ma omeko gakata na yo pakle yo bonuses na qualification bonus me vado yo ogbo and then enyare ka oga ko gere to menye benka nenebo over visitation na akaba aika yo gere campus re kapen e ko sports minister pele GFA ketokweku pele gbagbonga over yo ogbo to e kamaje omega va yo ogbo. There's no encouragement from them. No matter how you lose. Ko nyereka me aika me get a camping from camping me for friendly matches so me raise this concern no mukaka me in the tournament me for hopefully banto me duji e fela odunyeji e try me for that me tempo no e get a round of 8 quarter final odunyeji for I feel about excuses you na. Oh, Black Queens. Never women's Black Queens for her nala. Huh? Kim last. Baiko Green. Is that the excuse? Because Jeremy and Nami, I used to me apologize. Me put up a wonderful performance. Me put up a basement performance. So me Nemako. Me major bakra me when me next time I joke kabo me atonku my qualification matches so apo you can qualify agere what cup akwaji ke akonu kokwa ko gere Ghana to pankuma me bala nya egbo na mi never advise me benka me jenkuma me first the qualification matches now me do abiko so pabo for haji now we enter the intercontinental qualified matches so September, the draw will be out. I urge you to win those matches and qualify to the World Cup. If not, we will not forgive you. We will not forgive you. That's my advice, my humble advice to you. Make sure you qualify to the World Cup. Make sure you qualify to the World Cup. Because we are not paying our bonuses, this. That's why we did. No, I won't take that. I won't accept that. So my advice is qualify to the World Cup. That is where we can forgive you. Period. Me abanu pola wa ga potolo Evanyiba TV ka wona anya Evanyiba Sports ika me call me agbodo me black ekiso for enya Mike me atu the jik me afa game enya no ikere devo ika me agada community shield for akwaji le Sunday well Arsenal and then Manchester City one no call Jamaica Ateta and then Enzo Maresca one no for no call Jipo nanya ba va community shield akwabe nanya ba Premier League gbona hovema over na Africa Premier League ko Jona Premier League go manyema America na ho community shield pele oh FA Cup sorry America na ho FA Cup play Premier League wo we gana da ho rame ike akọ for enwe okpo well name of our community so that the collab fun game our friendly match is not all that competitive but name of England every game is competitive every game look in that friendly match there's a bragging right and meant that Enzo Maresca be out yemele community so that our friendly match every cup is a cup. So now, Aleka Oko Garada Hovnamo. Never Ellen could ask Napo Abu Mika Ateta. Last season now, they were very dominant. Ika Otem Ho, Premier League, well, Oja Agoba from day one, Ika, the blasting of the whistle, Premier League Jogoma, Oja Agoba, they pick up the maximum point, Ika, Otem Co deserve after Premier League. Ika, latter part of the season, I put a Mumba Dojo, Ika, over no game at all losing, over for draw the game at all hand. However, City, I am making a catch up, play all make well, and we cannot deserve and deserve it. And we come on one and one at the cat that play if you will open Arawa Jama, Oten for Premier League, they put up a lot of fight. And then, and we come a job where a player can for Kappa Premier League, most of those players are around. Player Mawa, Oga Potole around. Alegbegbe ayeke na yebo over goalkeeping side akwabe David Roya ha ala gama ke William Saliba ina make na po abifoku kaka na yebo over ma akwabe they still have the players California gama Nerema ka this Ecuadorian defender Hinkapi ha ala gama Gabriel Madahel ha ala gama this guy from the England international, Ben White, all the players I said, Declan Rice, Zubimadi, Ezil, and all those players are still there. Jokeres, Martinelli, those players, they still have the core of the team. And then Enzo Maresca, maybe Ellen Enzo Maresca for Akpaji, Akpabe, or Webby, if like a Miller Webby for Anino no Primano, Mimela Yahan, possibility Lebenka, Rodri, Adole, Manchester City, Papua Meta, Ulmaela is out of the tournament. Aravaji at community share he's out. Gigi Donnarumma, Gianluigi Donnarumma, Ella Agam, Ano Agamane, Manchester City, Vada, Josco Vada, Ella Akoma, other players who are Ole Gama. Name of Manchester City midfielder. Well, that number 6 position. I don't know who will take up that mantle because Rodri is out. The market January Renders is out. Well, they still have this guy, Nico Gonzalez. Yeah, Nico Gonzalez is in, so he will take up that position. Doku is there, and then some few players. For Foden, Akoma, player Gadole, and then this guy, France International. I forget his name. The France International. Yaha Gama, Plateau Lyon. Yaha Gama, Akpon Kaka. Never over because Arsenal still have the upper hand. Atom Adu, Magita community should Sunday, Avavaji, Mimanyaleko, Aleko, Bako, Mia Atom, Yaboke, Aquenemy, and the Maula Yinima. And Yabaro Palo, well, Gamanian, we can chat to my Dasile, Amateur Exatic, Amobuhan Ava, at to the Genome. Well, Madame Aquenemy, no mere boyke, when I get Fioto Gato. Friday, can I go now? Me Agano Miabo. Medak bana masiama amayo kata na wada akole amayo kata na kpomi le Facebook, YouTube, amayo kata na kpomi le multi channel mo 17 amayo kata na kpomi le Muhammad akole mi gbogbo za ma wona yira mi Friday kana gbona mega no mi go play event ba sports for all na o nyama kana do kuro na wona wa Iram nyama ngro sorry Iram nyama ngro be na my sister awenam nyama ngro mi oblo kan mi kata blo my lovely mom I believe that mo kata blo ma wona yira mi gbogbo za amayo kata na kpana da munye Sadno, my dark when you kata, all my colleagues from Azizukofa, my dark when Mafi Kumase, Grixin, well, Fokoku, my dark when you kata, Amayo Katana, or I told my dark when you kata, Mauna Yami, well, nkaka na jejunomi baba